Welcome to the playlist on Class 8 History. In this video, we will cover Chapter 1, How, When and Where. If you look at these three words, how, when and where, these are the primary words associated with history or any past event. For example, how did that happen? When did that happen? And where it happened? These are all past events. Of course, from grammar point of view, you can always use these three words for future events like how is it going to happen, when will it happen, and where is it going to take place. So all of this are future events. Since we are reading history here, so we will stick to the past events. The first topic of this chapter is how important are dates. When we read history, we see a lot of dates, and this is the reason history is boring, because it gets difficult to remember so many dates. So you must understand that history is much more than dates. It's actually a comparison of past and present, what happened versus what it is now. And when you are curious enough to do that comparison, only then you will start to find history interesting. For example, when you drink tea, you could ask a question. When did people begin to drink tea? How did tea plantations started in India? Notice there were two sets of questions, that is when and how. The how part is the explanation or reason, and the when part is the date we are asking for. So history is associated with dates, which makes a comparison easier. However, you need to understand that there can be no one clear date for any event to occur. Since we do not have any solid historical proof to determine the actual time, therefore we have to rely on an approximate period over which particular changes became visible. For example, we cannot fix one single date on which British rule was established. I mean, we know that East India Company came to India first in 1608, and then they started ruling India from 1757 onwards. But we cannot fix one date on which British rule started. We have an approximate date. I hope you're getting what I'm saying.